Children, I am Anjali, your EVS teacher from Mangala Vidya Mandira. Children, in this video, we are going to learn our 11th lesson. So, what is our 11th lesson name? Waste is wealth. Okay, let us start the lesson. Lesson number 11, waste is wealth. So, children, after studying this lesson, we can distinguish between the rural waste and urban waste, and we can understand the proper methods of disposal of waste, and we can practice the habits of reducing waste. Okay, so before start the lesson, I will ask one question, children. What is waste, children? Yes, waste means unwanted or unusable materials. Waste is substance which discarded after primary use or worthless, defective and of no use. So in this we can see main two types. What are those? Dry waste and wet waste. Okay, yes. So, one beautiful morning, a cricket came flying and sat on the dustbin. The dustbin began to tell about its difficulties to the cricket. So, this is what here in this page, children. So, dustbin will tell all the problems what it's facing to the cricket. So, what is that cricket, children? Yes, this is only cricket insect. Okay, yes. So, cricket, what a beautiful morning. Yes, dustbin. Hey, what's your problem? I will tell you about my problems. Listen. People create me by putting all waste. They feel bad to even see me. We will put the waste in the dustbin, but we will not see the dustbin. Isn't it, children? Yes. They collect domestic waste. What? They will collect domestic waste means our what the waste we will throw in the dustbin from our home. So that is domestic waste. Okay. Waste collected in the houses is thrown into the dustbin. See how they are throwing the waste. In the next page, oh, it smells bad. So that here cockroach comes and telling, oh, it smells bad. Dustbin. Look here, brother, skin of vegetables and fruits, tea leaves and crumbs of bread, they are decaying and cause bad smell. So when we'll put the waste in the dustbin, so they will decay and cause bad smell. Isn't it, children? Yes. So all type of waste we will put in the dustbin. It may be vegetables, fruits or dry waste or wet waste. Next, cockroach. We are very comfortable here. Look there. How my children are wandering here and there happily. So, dustbin. Brother, not only cockroaches but also rats are living here. So, dustbin is telling cockroach, not only you, even rats are also living here. So, near the dustbin, we can see many types of animals, insects, rats, even dogs, and insects like cockroaches, cricket, isn't it? Yes, flies, mosquito, etc. So, brother, the waste contain tins, plastic, and rubber too. They do not decay. It is better to give them to the people who buy old things. So, waste means what are the things we will throw in the dustbin, children? It may be contain tins, plastic, rubber, and vegetables, any paper, etc. So many things, isn't it? Yes. So instead of these plastic rubber bottles, we can give the people who buy old things, isn't it? The people will come to collect the this type of materials, means waste. What? Plastic, bottle, rubber, like that, isn't it? Yes. So next, see the things which have been thrown. Useful things can made out of these colorful bottles, tins, pieces of paper. So instead of throwing the water, this type of bottles, paper in the dustbin, we can make colorful bottles, tins, pieces of paper. You can see in the picture, children. See, there are model has been prepared out of waste materials by children. Yes, we can use the waste materials and we can make models. Yes, no? Yes. Look, there a lorry is coming to take you, cockroach said. And oh, I am clean now. Wasters also have to be collected and classified well. What they will do, wasters will come and collect the waste, and they will divide as dry waste and wet waste. Where do they take you? Asked Cockroach. Dustbin. They take me to the outskirt of the locality. They will take the dustbin or waste to outskirt of the locality, and decay their changes into the manure. Okay. Yes. They are municipality workers. Who is telling? Cockroach. They are municipality workers. They have come with vehicles to collect waste from these dustbins. So, who will come and collect the waste from the dustbin, children? They are municipality workers. They will collect and they will take to outskirts of the locality. They remove the waste from the dustbins and keep the place clean and tidy. What they will do? They will remove the dustbin and they will keep the place clean and tidy. They carry waste to the outskirts of the locality, dispose them there. there. See the board with instructions show the types of waste to be thrown in the dustbin. Okay, so what are the instruction and what are the types of waste? We'll see here. Dry waste. So in the under the dry waste, what are the things will come? Plastics, glass, pieces of metal, rags and rubber, etc. So what we should do? We should give them to a rag pickers. uh, Water in front of our house, they will come, no, to take old things, so we should give them. Wet waste. So under wet waste, what are the things will come? Leftover food, kitchen waste, decaying food items, meat, vegetable waste, dry leaves, piece of paper, etc. So we can convert them into manure. Okay, as a fertilizer. Manure means as a fertilizer you can use to grow the plant. Yes. In the next page, so hazardous waste. So under this, what are the things will come? Paints, insecticides, poisonous chemicals, broken tube lights, used batteries, expired medicines, etc. So what we should do? We should keep them in a bags and put them in the municipality bins for proper disposal. So next one, polluted waste. So what are the things under comes in this polluted waste? Used bandages, infected cottons, drips, syringes and used needles. So how we should keep them? We should keep them in bags and put them in the municipality bins for proper disposal. Okay. So cockroach. If this manure is used to grow plants, it would be nice. Would not it, children? Yes. So we should manure as a fertilizer. If you use plants meat, it grows well. Plants grows well. In villages, I will be put in a pit with the grass leaves and cow dung. They convert me into manure and use me to grow plant. In villages, the people will do like this only. Yes. The next page. What is this sound? Cockroach asked. So, hey friend, I am Mr. Mosquito and I am Mr. Housefly. They said. Look here, water comes from the houses and it is collected in this pit. This place is suitable for us to lay eggs. So why you are here? Cockroach asked why you are here. They said it is very suitable place for us to lay eggs. Who said? Mosquito and flies. See this dirty water, children, dirty stopped water. This is called stagnant water. Okay. Yes. Don't you spread disease? If the people of this house had left this water flow to plant beds in the garden instead of leaving it to stagnant here, we would not have come here and we would not spread disease. If water will not stop there, see this dirty water. If we let it to flow in garden or into the drainage or into the soak pit, the mosquitoes and flies will not come and they will not spread the disease. Okay, yes, they make the water stagnant. Mosquitoes live and grows this stagnant water. So what the flies and mosquitoes will do in the stagnant water? They lay egg and they will make family and they will spread the diseases. They should allow me to flow into a garden or soak pit. Yes, soak pit means you can see in the picture, children. This is only the soak pit. Yes. The cricket came flying forward. Oh, it is better to get away from this bad smell. So cockroach is telling it is very bad smell near to the dustbin. It's better to get away from the bad smell. Hey cricket, what you are worried about? See the heap of wastage everywhere. How do we dispose them off? I am worried about it. So cockroach said, there is no need to use many plastic bags. So we should not use many plastic bags, because all the waste materials we will throw it in the dustbin. So instead of throwing these plastic bags, it could have been used to bring things or to keep things. We can keep the plastic bags to bring things from outside, from the shop, isn't it? Yes. And skin of vegetables and fruits could have been compost, means we can make manure as a fertilizer we can use to grow the plants. This tin could have been used instead of throwing it away. Compost manure could have increased the soil fertility. Compost manure, what are the vegetable skin, fruits skin, leftover food, we can use it as a manure to grow the plant. One could have earned money by selling this empty bottle. Some people will come near your house to take empty bottle. What they will do, they will sell the bottle to other people, and the other people will do recycling to make another things. So they will earn the money from that. If the sheets of paper blank, if they could use right, otherwise used to sheet of paper, newspaper could have been given to the shops. Sometimes we will throw the blank sheet, empty sheet to the dustbin. Instead of that, we can use to write, isn't it? Yes. So in the next page, hey brother, are you happy now? Asking cockroach to cricket. Yes. So one more is there, no. Cricket is telling one should minimize one's requirements if reduces waste. Many used things can be reused. This is reusing. Some things are there, we can reuse that. We can do some another things, another materials, craft items, art items, whatever. So that is reusing. And decaying waste can be converted into compost that can be used to grow plants. So what is decaying, children? Decomposing through the action of bacteria and fungi. Okay. New things can be prepared from used plastics, sheets, glass and paper. This is called recycling. Why? Because this glass, plastic, tin, it will take what more time to mix with the soil. It will not decay. It will not decay. Only vegetables, fruits, leftover food will decay in less time. Okay. Yes. So used water can be used to water plants or drained into the soak pit. Used water also we can reuse to what for plant and drain into the soak pit. You can see the soak pit in the picture. Okay, children. Yes, I got the answer to the question. What should people do with the waste generated at the houses? How to make them aware of it? I am going to the garden. Cricket. This cockroach is telling. Okay. Yes. So children, I hope you understood this part of the lesson. So again we will continue the same lesson in the next video. What is that? Waste is wealth. So because we have finished only 5 pages of this lesson, so this is the part 1. Okay, now homework, children. Write 5 example for dry and wet waste. Already we have learnt what are the dry and wet waste. In the dry waste, plastic, paper and bottles, tins, etc. will come. And wet waste, vegetables, fruits, leftover food will come. So you have to write the 5 examples for dry waste and wet waste. And second one is make any art or craft items from waste. We can say best out of waste. Some examples I have given below, children. You can observe the pictures. So you can do other what craft or art items. What it's your wish. So only for example I have given this. So you can do this best out of waste and take a picture and send it to the group, children. Okay. Yes. Okay. Thank you.